Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY. Just going to do two-part series on front exhaust pipe on this Vauxhall Zafira, Vauxhall Opel Zafira. I've got a leak on it, which you can sort of see at the front of the Flexi pipe. It's got a lot of carbon build up there, and the actual sort of Flexi mesh, whatever you want to call it, is split at the front and is fraying as well. I've had a quote from this from Vauxhall. They want to quote me 325 quid to fix it. It's only a minor leak, but it will develop into a major leak, which is a shame because the rest of the pipe is in pretty good condition. It's post-cat as well, so there's a O2 sensor that's in it right at the top as well. And further on there's a clamp that clamps it in. It sort of fits into the rear of the exhaust. So I've done some digging about, and I thought, well, I could perhaps fix it, put some of that clay on it, exhaust putty clay, mesh it, but it's just going to be a temporary fix. So I've been out. I've looked about and see what's around, and I've picked up another exhaust, front exhaust that I've got for a real good price, 32 quid off eBay, and I'm going to take you through the front pipe first. Like I say, it's going to be a two-part. I'm going to take you through what I've got and what parts you need, and then the other second half will be actual the fitting of the pipe. Right, so this is the piece that I've got. This cost me 32 quid off eBay. Brilliant. Value for money. I mean, obviously you can see it's pretty brand new. It has been used, but I think it was only on the car for probably not even a month. It's Clarius, I think that's how you pronounce it. Is it Clarius? Yeah, Clarius exhaust. So this is the bit that's gone, it's round there. That's completely frayed away and is blowing out carbon, and it's the thing that worries me more is that it's the downstream O2 sensor. So, and this comes with an O2 sensor as well, which shocks me because they're not cheap. So the whole thing with the O2 sensor, obviously, does the O2 sensor work? I hope so. This is just a downstream sensor. I'm not sure if it's the original. It might be an original one, it might be a brand new one, but it's one of those situations. Do I take this one out and fit the one that's in, or go for it, fit and then plug this one in and see if this one works? Hopefully it should do. I can't see any reason why, but anyway, we'll see. 3 nut flange. So with a gasket just fits on, and then, you know, it's pretty clean. Other end, this just slides straight into the other piece of exhaust, the rear exhaust, and you put on a clamp. So yeah, so this is a setup I've got. I do find with these Vauxhalls that these parts of the exhaust do tend to break down very quickly, which is a shame. I mean, I'm not sure where this fits into. I presume it goes into the floor, but there's a shield there anyway, heat shield there. So I'll have a look at that, but that'll be what we'll have a look at when we're actually fitting it. So yeah, so I've got all this all in. I've got the gasket already, and I've got the clamp already. So all in, 32 quid. Not bad, is it, for an O2 sensor and an exhaust piece? So like I say, this is part one. This is what I'm going to be using. Good quality. Always get a good quality exhaust. Clarius seems to be the good aftermarket exhaust people, from what I hear. Obviously, if you get main dealer stuff, you're paying through the nose. But so that's what I'm dealing with. So hopefully, part two, I'm going to show you how to fit it. Hopefully this will get you started and know what you're looking at. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, thumbs down, tell me why. Thanks very much.